Hi, this is V700 gas detector for combustible gases. This is a simple equipment which gives you the reading in %LEL. When you switch on the equipment, it goes into a self-checking mode and then it comes back to 0. And you have to wait till the wait light is on. Once it is off, you can start taking the measurement. This is the aspirator with which you can suck the sample from any outside source, even from a tank or something. And this is to check the alarm settings. Once it is a wait, the alarm will not come out. Now this is, so once you press, it has been set at 1920, so it gives the alarm. And now it is also ready to take the measurement. Now you have to just aspirate like this. Now since there is no gas now, it is open and you don't get any reading. But suppose if I am putting it in a tank and I am taking the reading, it gives you the reading and also the alarm once it reaches to the preset limit. Once it comes back to the air, it goes back to 0. If the battery is low, it will give you the low indication, which you can charge the battery. You can charge the battery from here, putting into the charger that has been provided along with. Okay? And if you have any questions,